Planning on buying a condominium in Florida in 2026? Let's talk about structural integrity reserve studies, or what people are calling S.I.R.S, S-I-R-S. Each condominium is going to be required to complete a structural integrity reserve study. Some of them are required to complete those by the end of this year, 2025. So December 31st, 2025 will be the deadline for many condominiums in Florida. Those structural integrity reserve studies can cover anything from roofing, plumbing, electrical, structural system, fireproofing, and the purpose is to make sure that the reserves in the budget are sufficient to cover any upcoming maintenance issues. So you not only have the actual maintenance review to determine the status of the structural integrity of the property, but you also have the financial review, looking at condominium budget and reserves to make sure there's adequate finances available to make these repairs when they are necessary. The structural integrity reserve study is going to outline a timeline of when any necessary repairs are going to need to be made, and then the condominium boards and management are going to need to make sure that the budget is aligned with those maintenance needs being fulfilled. So as of January 2026, many budgets may be reviewed for reserve funding, and assessments may need to be paid in order to cover the costs of those repairs. So it's going to be really necessary if you're looking for a condo in Florida after January of 2026, you really need to review these structural integrity reserve studies, maintenance studies, the budget, and really talk to the board about whether or not they think there's going to be any additional assessments coming during your ownership of the property.